Can I use pip instead of easy_install for Python Setup.Py install dependency resolution? Python Setup.Py install will automatically install packages listed in requires equals, using easy_install. How do I get it to use pip instead?
Yes, you can. You can install a package from a tarball or a folder, on the web or your computer. For example, install from tarball on web. Install from local tarball. Install from local folder. You can delete the request 2.3.0 folder. Install from local folder, editable mode. This installs the package in editable mode. Any changes you make to the code will immediately apply across the system. This is useful if you are the package developer and want to test changes. It also means you can't delete the folder without breaking the install.
You can pip install a file perhaps by Python Setup.Py stist first. You can also pip install e. which is like Python Setup.Py develop.
If you are really set on using Python Setup.Py install, you could try something like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.